Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today in the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, December the 2nd, 2020. We have here Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, a tectonic number 1, tectonic number 2, binary number 1, and a binary number 2. Total of 8 extra sudokus. I won't do them all. I've explained several times. It's too much time consuming, and I need also time for myself. So I will do only 4 of them. Sudoku with 3 stars, with 4 stars, 1 tectonic, and 1 binary. I will do. If there are requests from your side, you can place a comment, and maybe I will do one of the other ones if I have time. Yes, time is the issue. All right. Sudoku with 3 stars. This will be number 1959, and this one has 25 printed digits. You can count or check if I'm right. All right, so let's get started. We have here in this big square 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, so no 5 in those 3 boxes. There are 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. Then we have we have an 8 in this row, an 8 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Let me see. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in those 2 boxes. Here also a 6, so no 6 in this box. 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 3 missing numbers now in the middle row. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here also a 9, no 9 there. The only place for a 9 should be there. And then these 2 numbers are reserved for the 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3. I cannot fill this yet. Let me see. 6 in this column. 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 6 will be here, here, or there. We see here 6, we see there 6, so no 6s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6. It should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 6. How about the 2 in this row? 2 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see there 1, no 1 in those 3 boxes. Here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. Then let me see. Let me see. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see there an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So the row above, only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 1. All right. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So the row below, the third row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2. All right. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this row, the first row, 2 in the third row. So the row between, the second row, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the first column. So the column between, the second column, the only place for a 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 3. These 2 numbers are left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those for you. I cannot fill this yet. That means the other 2 numbers in this column should be the numbers 7 and the 9. 7 and the 9. Let me mark them again. Alright. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the third row. So the row between, only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row. So the row between, the middle row, the only place for a 1 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 1. How about this box in the middle row? The only box left, the only number left in the middle row should be the number 3. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. Oh, I made a mistake here. Not 7 and a 9. 1, 3. We have a 7 here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. This should be 5 and a 9. 5 and a 9. What a mistake. Oh, almost made a mistake. I have recovered this. Yes. So now we have 2 numbers left in this big square. The 7 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 5 and a 9. All right. Two numbers. No, not two numbers left. We have three numbers: 5, 9, and 4. The 4 is missing. Okay. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about these two numbers? In the second row, the 3 and the 7 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there, 7 in the last column, 7 in that column, so the column between. Only place for a 7 should be there, 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above, so in that row, the only place for a 7 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 7. How about those two missing numbers in this column? Those numbers are the 3 and the 4. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in this box. So the 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. One number left in this big square. For the number 9, one number left. No, yes, 5 and a 9. All right, now we have a 9 here. So this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9. This should be a 5. One number left in this row for the number 5. Then. Let me see. 3, 4, 7 here. Alright. We have a 9 here. No, no 9s. Alright. 1, 1. Blah, blah, blah. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place for a 5, it should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next, so in that column, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5, it should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in that row, so the row between, the only three places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, here 5, no 5 there, the only place for 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can't see digit number 4, alright. Then 1, 4, 3. How about those two numbers in this column? 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, and 5, 6, 7, and the 9. 4 and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 4. One number left in this row for the number 3. 3 is missing. Then 3. Alright. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for a 1 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. One number left in the last row for the number 4. 4 is missing. Now we have a 1 here, so this can be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 3. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. Only place for a 9 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 and the 7 is missing in this big square. We have a 4 here. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column. So the column next. Only place for the 7 should be there. In this big square. Two numbers left for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this 3 Stars Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few minutes with the second Sudoku. It will be a 4-star Sudoku. This one. Yes. See you later. Bye bye for now.